Hiya there and welcome to Oscar Jensen's world. What we have here is something quite cool. I don't know if anyone likes Fireman Sam, but this is a Fireman Sam diecast car. It's really cool. It's not the big ones where you put action figures with, it's a little one. It's got a little man on there. What's great about it is you press the button here. Can you hear that? It plays the theme song. Just say this is all metal, so you can play nicely with it. And I'm sure you hear it making sound effects and everything. It makes a song. You push it along. Nice wheels like that. It's really strong, so you can really have a good play with this and it won't break. Fortunately, you can't put it in water because it's got batteries there and everything. And if you put it in water, unfortunately, it will actually break. So it's just a toy to play on the floor with. But for you little kids, boys, even collectors who like lifeboats, this Fireman Sam is a really cool toy. Me and Oscar really recommend this. Unfortunately, this belongs to Oscar's daddy because he collects things like this. So we thought we'd put it on and show you what a Fireman Sam die-cast Neptune lifeboat looks like with his driver. Really nice thing. If anyone sees any of these, you know, at a car boot or anything like that, snap it up because they're really nice things. Pretty expensive though on eBay for some reason. They're going for quite a lot of money at the moment. I think they're going for about £10–15, so I think they're quite rare. But they're really nice things. Thanks for looking at this video. Bye bye. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for looking. Bye bye.